Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Friday, and it's still cold in Chicago. Tomorrow's supposed to get colder. 2-week outlook is for warmer temps and possibly close to normal rainfall for much of the Midwest. So it looks like a favorable outlook for U.S. weather. In South America, Brazil, they're estimating that their harvest in central Brazil for beans is about 30% done. That's versus 17 last year. Corn harvest 16 versus 11, and the second planting of the corn crop is 47% done versus 31 last year. As far as overnight news, it's pretty quiet. Beans are now a little bit lower. Corn and wheat's unchanged. There are still some bears in the bean market that want to sell May beans around $8.85, thinking we might make some new lows as we get more harvest pressure from South America. It's interesting, the same group thought that once Brazil harvest might be, let's say 50, 60, maybe even 70% done, we could actually put a floor in soybean prices for a while. Outside markets, stock markets are trying to rebound. We should open up our stock market a little bit higher. We've got crude higher. The Russians and the Saudis might have a weekend meeting to talk about controls. And we also noted that gold relative to palm oil, relative to crude oil, is the highest that we've seen in many, many years. And the CME raised initial margins on gold 13%. Palm oil futures have also hit a 21-month high. There was a report out that CEOs and economists are raising the chances for a U.S. recession over the next 12 months. And that we get next week the January NOPA crush, which should show the crush lower than a year ago. So all in all, it's a quiet day. We don't trade on Monday, but the Chinese are back on Monday. Their stock market may try to catch up to some of the weakness that we have, so we'll kind of watch and see what impact that might have on Tuesday's market. So outside market's a little firmer, grain's unchanged. Hope everybody has a nice long holiday weekend. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.